Good morning students, welcome to GK class. In the last class we had discussed about coal. Okay, today we are going to discuss about petroleum. This coal and petroleum comes under fossil fuels. In the last class we had discussed what is meant by fossil fuels, what is meant by fuel, what is meant by fossil, and combinedly what is meant by fossil fuels and examples of these fossil fuels. The main focus in our portion in our syllabus is on petroleum and coal. Okay, we had completed coal and today we are going to deal with petroleum. Before going to explaining about in detail about petroleum, first of all we will consider generally we will discuss about petroleum, what you know and what I know about petroleum. Generally this petroleum is extracted from the earth. Okay, actually under the seabeds, okay, under the seabeds mana oceans seas ki underground lo mari land untundannamata. Under that land we are extracting petroleum. In the same way as water is extracted from bore wells, like that in the same way petroleum is also extracted by means of wells, bore wells, and after taking up that petroleum is transferred to refineries. Okay, that petroleum is transferred to refineries. In the refineries the extracted petroleum is refined, and those from the petroleum we will extract different liquids, just like diesel, kerosene oil, petroleum gas, paraffin wax, like this and all we are extracting from the petrol refineries. Okay, from there, from the refineries to that petroleum will comes to different petrol bunks. From there we are going and we are fueling that petrol. This is general perspective. Okay, that means it is produced under the seabed. Okay, petroleum is produced under the seabed. Seabed means under the sea, the land portion under the sea, that is called seabed. సముద్రం లోపల, సముద్రంకి అడుగు భాగాన ఉన్నటువంటి ఈ ల్యాండ్ పోర్షన్లో మనం డ్రిల్లింగ్ చేసి అందులోపల ఫామ్ అయినటువంటి ఈ యొక్క పెట్రోలియం అనేటువంటి క్రూడ్ ఆయిల్ని ఎక్స్ట్రాక్ట్ చేయడం జరుగుతుంది. ఓకే, ఇన్ ది ఫార్మ్ ఆఫ్ లిక్విడ్. ఏ ఫామ్లో ఉంటుంది? లిక్విడ్. ఫ్రమ్ దేర్, అక్కడ నుంచి మనము ఇట్ ఈస్ టేకెన్ అప్, పైకి తీసుకున్న తర్వాత అండ్ సెండ్ టు రిఫైనరీస్, రిఫైనరీస్కి సెండ్ చేస్తాం. ఇన్ ద రిఫైనరీస్ from the petroleum we are extracting several products like diesel, petroleum gas, kerosene oil, paraffin wax, petroleum, like this and all are the products we are extracting from the petroleum. Petroleum is also called crude oil. Okay, crude oil. Clear everyone? Then liquid. See, now what is petroleum? Up to now we have discussed general point of view. Okay, what everybody know about petroleum, that we discussed. Now coming to subject, okay, coming to exact definition, what is petroleum means? Petroleum is basically it is a crude oil. Okay, dark thick liquid. Okay, petroleum is not in what you see in petrol bunks, red brownish color. Okay, actually petroleum is dark thick liquid. Okay, dark thick liquid. Where we will find this dark thick liquid? Under the crust layers. Okay, the first layer of our land, earth, is crust. Under that crust we will find this. See, below the earth's crust we will find this dark thick liquid which is in dark black color. Okay, then it is also called crude oil. Okay, basically it is a crude oil from we are extracting from the under earth. That's why this is also called as mineral oil. Okay, basically petroleum is derived from the two words petra and oleum. Petra means rock and oleum means oil. This is rock oil formed between the rocks. That's why we are naming it as a petroleum. Petra means rock, oleum means oil. Oil formed in between rocks. This is about petroleum. Then how petroleum is formed? See here. Petroleum is formed from organisms living in the oceans. Okay. Organisms living in the oceans. After hundreds of millions of years, after passing hundreds of millions of years, those living organisms present in the ocean those dead organisms were dipped into the earth's crust below the ocean bed. From there this petroleum is formed from the ocean beds. In this way petroleum is formed. If you see at present there is Thar desert. Okay, Thar desert is there. Basically previously Thar desert is one river. Okay, one river. After millions of years, okay, after passing millions of years, that river becomes Thar desert. And now you are seeing Himalayan mountain ranges. Previously it is also an ocean. After passing millions of years that ocean becomes Himalayan mountains. In the same way, if you see some millions of years ago, oceans becomes land. After decreasing the level of the ocean, the land will comes upside. Decreasing the level of the ocean, the land will expose to outside. At the time of ocean present in that area, the living organisms dead, and those dead living organisms dipped into that land, and from those dead living organisms this thick liquid petroleum is formed in between those rocks. That is called petroleum. In this way petroleum was formed from organisms living in the sea, and then as these organisms died, their bodies settled at the bottom. Then of the sea and covered with layers of sand and clay. In this way petroleum is formed. Clear everyone how the petroleum is formed? Okay. Then coming to some facts are there. In the world, in the first place in the world where this petroleum, okay, just like water bore, petroleum is extracted from the earth just like by putting bore. In the world, the first place is Pennsylvania in USA in 1859. First petroleum dig. Okay. First in the world, first petroleum is taken upside from the dig in the form of bore. And in India, first in India, there is a place called Makum in Assam in 1857. In 1857. Okay. In the world, Pennsylvania. Okay. In India, Makum in Assam. Okay. Then major petroleum extracting countries in the world. Major petroleum extracted countries in the world: USA, Russia, China, India. These are the major countries extracting petroleum. In India, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh and Assam. Especially in Andhra Pradesh, Godavari and Krishna river basins. Godavari and Krishna river basins, under this river beds, okay, we are extracting petroleum. And the most important Middle East countries, see, if you see the world map, in the Middle East countries like Saudi Arabia, Iran, Iraq, United Emirates, UAE, Kuwait, these are the major countries. Those are having petroleum wells under that lands. Okay, these countries are rich because they are exporting petroleum to other countries. In this way they are getting money and getting rich. Then coming to the most important portion in our exam point of view, see, the petroleum is taken to refineries. In the refineries, petroleum is heating by special process. Petroleum is heating. It is in inlet and this is outlet. Inlet for petroleum, outlet for extraction of these and all materials. Okay, from the petroleum, by heating the petroleum we are getting different fuels like petrol, diesel, kerosene oil, fuel oil, paraffin wax, naphtha, lubricating oil, LPG and bitumen. These and all are the byproducts extracting from the petroleum. From the exam point of view, the main use is, what is the use of this petroleum? Petrol we are using for vehicles and dry cleaning. Okay, dry cleaning also we are doing with the petrol. Then diesel we are using for heavy loading vehicles. Okay, for carrying heavy load vehicles we are using diesel as a fuel. For normal vehicles, two wheelers and low heavy weight vehicles we are using petrol. And kerosene oil, okay, basically kerosene oil is two types. One is impure form and another one is pure form. Impure form of kerosene we are using kerosene lamps and stoves. The pure form of kerosene we are using in aeroplanes as a fuel. Okay, this is most important. In aeroplanes we are using kerosene oil as a fuel, but keep it in mind, pure form of kerosene oil, that is not you are using kerosene in kerosene lamps and stoves, that is impure kerosene oil. In aeroplanes we are using pure form of kerosene oil. Then coming to fuel oil. Fuel oil is one of the material extracting from the petroleum. This is used in ships as a fuel. This is also called as marine diesel. Okay, in ships we are using fuel oil. Then coming to paraffin wax. This is a wax. With this wax we are making candles, lipsticks and some creams. Okay, and some creams also we are preparing with this paraffin wax. This paraffin wax also extracting from petroleum. Basically we are giving inside as a crude oil, crude petroleum, and extracting these materials. Naphtha, that is used in chemicals. Okay, the product naphtha used in chemicals. Then lubricating oil we are using for automobile spare parts to reduce the corrosion and to reduce the noise, for reducing noises and for easy movement of the parts we are using lubricating oil as grease. Then coming to LPG, this is used in cylinders, LPG cylinders. Then bitumen. Bitumen is a black colored substance which we are using in the construction of roads and as well as paints. Okay, these are the very important from the perspective of examination. Okay, and this is the about petroleum. What is meant by petroleum, how it is extracting, and what are the byproducts coming from the extraction of petroleum, and what are the uses of those byproducts, and the static information. GK for GK portion, the first petroleum extracted in the world in Pennsylvania in USA, and in India in Assam in the place called Makum. Okay students, this is about petroleum. the last class coal and today's class petroleum, both are important for your All India Sainik School entrance examination in the general science topic. Okay, this is about today's class, and if you have any doubts, we will clarify that doubts in our live class sessions. Okay, please pause this video and note down the information and just go through the video. And I am telling, don't study, learn the things. Okay, don't study the things, you have to learn the things. Okay, thank you very much and have a nice day. Take care.